In this video, I will complete the book exercises of lesson number 2, Lessons in the Jungle. Your first question, read chapter 2 and tick the boxes true or false. Father Wolf taught Mowgli the sounds of the jungle. Right, true. Mowgli believed that he was a wolf. True. Balu taught Mowgli to hunt? No. Who taught? Bagheera taught Mowgli to hunt. A cow was the price Bagheera paid for Mowgli. No. A bull was the price Bagheera paid for Mowgli. In difficult times, food is more important than water? No. Water is more important than anything else. Mowgli learned all the languages of the animals. True. We will complete A and B question answers in your English 2 copy. Why do you think Balu and Bagheera were worried that Mowgli knew the monkeys? Discuss. Balu and Bagheera were worried that Mowgli knew the monkeys because monkeys were troublesome. They did not follow the law of the jungle and Mowgli had to learn this. Do you think it is a good idea to have one teacher for each subject you study? Why? Why not? You can see in each lesson you have a question which you have to answer according to your knowledge and your wish. What you think about a particular question put up. Like in this, it is a good idea to have one teacher for subject or not? Each teacher is the master of his or her subject. So, it is a good idea to have one teacher for each subject we study, as they can teach efficiently and provide knowledge in a better way. What do you like learning about most? Explain what you like best about your favorite subject. My favorite subject is science because it is the systematic study of natural world. Your B question, find the following extracts from chapter 2, following points from chapter 2 and discuss their meanings. By night, Mowgli, went down the hillside to the village and watched the villagers from a distance. At night, Mowgli used to go down the hillside to the village to learn more about the villagers. A man's child is not like a wolf cub. He must learn all the law of the jungle. Balu wanted the man's child to learn all the law of the jungle to be protected from all the dangers of the jungle. Is there anything in the jungle too little to be killed? No. That's why Balu, teach him Mowgli. I teach him, means Balu teach Mowgli these things, and that's why I hit him very softly when he forgets. Balu is very strict to Mowgli in teaching the law of jungle because he wants him to be safe in the jungle. Fill in the gaps. Now come to page number 73 of your book. Fill in the gaps with the correct names of the animals. Then mime their sounds and actions. Hiss like a snake. Howl like a wolf. Climb like a monkey. Growl like a bear. Hunt like a panther. Your next question is complete the definitions below with the words from the box. Now these are the words. There are definitions given. You have to match both of it. If you do something you are not supposed to do, you are naughty. If you do something you are not supposed to do, you are naughty. If you do something nice for another person, you are kind. If you are very sad about something, you are unhappy. If you think about problems or bad things that may happen in the future, you are worried. If you don't make any noise, you are quiet. If you do not laugh or smile, you are serious. If you are as good as you can possibly be, you are perfect. If you feel that you need to rest, you are tired. Your third question, match the phrases to their meanings. Now SB is somebody, STH something. Come to understand, to learn about something over time. Take one's place, to sit or stand where one belongs. Turn one's eyes away, to look away from somebody or something. Over and over again, repeated many times. In difficult times, when things are not easy. A quick student, somebody who learns fast. With this, I complete your lesson 2, Lessons in the Jungle. Complete your book and copy work neatly and correctly. That's all for today. Thank you. God bless you all.